Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up pop-ups in WordPress. First, you'll need to choose a suitable plugin. There are many excellent options available, such as Elementor Pro, optinmonster, or Popup Maker. Each offers unique features, so consider what best fits your needs for customization, ease of use, and integration with your existing tools. Selecting the right foundation is crucial for a successful pop-up strategy. Once you have your plugin, the next step is designing your pop-up. This is where you make it visually appealing and effective. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Be sure to include engaging text, relevant images, and a very clear call to action. Remember, a well-designed pop-up captures attention and encourages interaction across all devices. After designing, you'll configure the display rules. This tells your pop-up exactly when and where to show up. You can set triggers like exit intent when a user scrolls down a certain percentage of the page or after a specific amount of time. Targeting specific pages or even particular user segments ensures your message reaches the most relevant audience, maximizing its effectiveness. Finally, it's time to publish and thoroughly test your pop-up. Once you save and activate it, your pop-up will be live on your WordPress site. It is crucial to test its functionality across various browsers and devices to ensure a seamless user experience. Continuously monitor its performance metrics, like conversion rates, to make data-driven adjustments and optimize its overall effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.